In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Tradingview lagging problem. We'll walk through a clear sequence you can follow to smooth out charts, speed up loading, and reduce freezes. Whether you are on the desktop app or using a browser. Let's start with quick fixes inside the app and your browser. First, clear cached data. In the Tradingview desktop app, open Settings, go to the Service section, and choose Clear Cache. This removes old temporary files that can slow things down over time. If you are on a browser, open your browser's settings and clear browsing data, focusing on cached images and files. This won't remove your charts, but it does force the platform to fetch fresh resources, which often improves responsiveness. Next, turn off hardware acceleration if you use Chrome. In Chrome settings, find the option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available and toggle it off. Then relaunch the browser. While hardware acceleration can help some systems, it can also cause stutters or black screens on certain GPUs and drivers. Disabling it lets Chrome render more consistently with Tradingview. Reduce the load on your charts. If you are running many indicators or complex PineScript studies, pare them back to what you truly need. Each study consumes CPU and GPU resources, and heavy scripts compound that usage. Also consider switching from multi-chart layouts to a single chart when you are analyzing. Fewer panes mean fewer simultaneous renders and faster interactions. Make sure the Tradingview desktop app is up to date. In Settings, open the About tab and check for updates. Performance improvements and bug fixes are frequently included in newer versions, and staying current can resolve lag without any other changes. Now let's cover system and network basics. Confirm your internet connection is stable and fast enough for real-time data. Fluctuating bandwidth or high latency can look like platform lag. If you notice drops, pause large downloads and ensure your connection is steady before trading. Manage your system resources. Close other applications that are consuming high CPU or RAM, such as video editors, games, or many open tabs. Tradingview is graphics intensive, so freeing memory and processor headroom makes a noticeable difference. Finally, whenever possible, use the dedicated Tradingview desktop app rather than a browser. The app runs with fewer extension conflicts, handles graphics more efficiently, and tends to feel snappier on the same hardware. Work through these adjustments, then test by panning, zooming, and switching symbols. You should see smoother charts, quicker loads, and fewer hiccups across your workflow.